Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Android's built-in screen recorder. Android 11 and later versions have built-in screen recording features that make it easy for users to record their device's screen without additional apps or tools. Here's how to screen record on Android with built-in features. First, open your Android device quick settings panel by swiping down from the top of your screen. Look for the screen recorder icon and tap on it. If the screen recorder icon is not visible, tap on the edit icon and add it to your quick settings panel. Then choose whether to record audio or select the recording area according to your needs. Once done, tap on the Start button to start recording. Once you're done recording, tap on the Stop icon in your notifications panel or the screen record icon again. Then, the recorded video will be saved to your device's gallery app. Screen recording on Android is a helpful feature that can come in handy in many situations. Whether you want to record a tutorial for your YouTube channel, show a friend how to use a particular app, or capture a memorable moment in a game, screen recording can help. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next video.